Welcome to Keith Sawyer's 1947 Chevrolet Fleetmaster Coupe. This is a stunningly cool build and really well built. It's another stunning build from the Sawyer Cape, and is definitely a show-winning worthy ride for sure. Keith stumbled across this while working one day. It was looking like a full-on life-size jigsaw puzzle in a customer's shed, but seeing the potential lying within those boxes and the goodies in that body shell, a deal was done and it was all transported back to Keith and Lisa's cave to put the puzzle back together again, but with a difference this time. There really isn't much on this beautiful build that hasn't been modified, customed, or simply finished to a show-winning standard. In true keeping of the 1940 styling, the huge body curves and deep wheel arches allow for a decent set of rubbers under the guards with no flaring required. So a modern set of wheels and sticky tyres was slapped on there to keep her on the road. Huge aerodynamic bonnet moulded across the top of those front fenders, accentuating the flow of the body curves. It must have been a task to produce back in the day, but certainly makes these styling automobiles a piece of auto art for sure. The interior, being full leather with custom seats and door trims, sits beautifully within the era of the old style gauges, original door handles and window winders. The surround sound speakers are placed nicely into the trims to give the modern benefits of cruising for when the exhaust gates are closed for everyday cruising. The boot is detailed in the same leather to complete the show detail with an LED lit Chevrolet symbol highlighting the build specs custom painted onto that spare wheel cover. The curves in the side panel trims reflecting the flow of the body through to the interior cabin, keeping that 47 styling intact as if built back in the era. Under that bonnet, the show detailing has been tasked not only look awesome, but to get this 1.5 ton coupe to jump and run like a cool hot rod should. The factory 6-cylinder engine no longer exists here. The space now holds a small block Chevrolet 383 cubic inch engine, force fed by a B&M 174 supercharger to keep it awake and ready at all times. This is an awesome combination for a build like this, for cruising the shows no matter where, rain, hail and shine. The underbonnet blower is fantastic for how this ride rolls. Of course, forcing the free air in, it needs to come out. A twin 3-inch exhaust handles that job extremely well, and when those exhaust gates are open, them pipes sound awesome. The electric blue paint finish over those curves captures the sun from every angle, and this rod now glistens in the sunlight. If you ever get a chance to check this out in the flesh, definitely do it. It's a showpiece winner, this thing. Beautiful ride.